Okay, so when you are taught to calculate the enthalpy of the reaction, when they've given you the enthalpy of formations, you basically, what helps me remember the formula for that is what are formed, the products, right? So the change of the enthalpy is given as the summation of the energy of formations for the products minus that of what? Their reactants. Okay. Now one thing that you have to know is these ones that are existing in nature, they don't have enthalpy of formation. Their values are zeros. That's why if you look at the given values, we don't have any value for oxygen because the oxygen exists naturally. Okay. So let's calculate. How do we go about it? So to calculate the enthalpy of formation for the products, we've got carbon dioxide and water. So the values we've been given are per moles. Okay. So carbon dioxide, we only have a single mole of carbon dioxide. So if you check CH4 methane, it's 74.8. For carbon dioxide, it's that. And then finally, this is for water. So for carbon dioxide, we only have a single carbon dioxide more, plus we've got 2 water molecules. So these are representing the values for the enthalpy of formation of the products. Those of the reactants, we have methane and 2 oxygen moles. So it now substitute carbon dioxide. What's the value for carbon dioxide? It's negative 393.5. Okay, based on what the question is saying. And then water, since water was the last one to be listed, you go for the last value. That's negative 286. Now look, pay attention to what I've done here. Specifically what I've done is I've put multiply by 2, right? I've put multiply by 2 because there are 2 water molecules in the what? In the balanced equation. Minus methane, the value is what? It's a first value there, negative 74.8. It's just a single mole. For oxygen, it exists naturally and the value hasn't been given, so it's just a 0. Even if multiplied by 2, it will still be a 0. Okay. So how do we calculate now? So just add what's in the brackets there. Okay. So I'm getting negative 393.5 minus 572, and I multiply by 2. And then in the other bracket, we're just having minus negative 74.8 still stands, and then negative 65.5 when you subtract these, and then the sign there becomes positive, so plus 74.8. now which will give you a final answer of what? Negative 890.7. This is kilojoules. So what is the enthalpy of that reaction using the enthalpy of formations? Okay, so to access the full solutions to this video and the PDF solutions, please use the link in the description below. And of course, when you do access those, you're also going to learn the topics in full. Actually, each question here has got like its own lesson with its own more practice questions on our site. So use the link in the description below, learn.transcendedinstitute.net, and you'll be able to access chemistry as a full course. Okay.